Hey everybody, Joan here. We are out, Loki and I. So everybody else was sleeping and Matt didn't want to come. Into nature, one of our favorite trails. It's down the street from us. All the ice is starting to melt and it's starting to sprinkle on us. Yeah, it was past Christmas, right? Just past Christmas? Do you want the other one? So we are out having fun. It's cold, but we like it, right, Loki? Loki, do we like it? Yes? And Loki's going to do his own video. Do you want it facing you?
No.
Like that?
No.
Oh, the other way? There you go. So, while we're here, there's Loki getting himself ready. While we're here out for our hike this morning, I thought I would show you how beautiful it is even in the wintertime. Nature is such a beautiful place to be. You can even hear the creek. You know, this year so far, I've wanted to come hiking and take Ben for a run, although he doesn't really run away from us. He just hangs out with us. He used to as a puppy, but now he's 4. He's like, oh, I'm okay.
I did this so they can see from here.
Yeah.
So Dad can see my finger. Or you like to see what it looks like now? Look.
Okay, Loki showed me a feature he did on the camera he's working with. That's very weird. Check that out. Kids and technology, they're so smart. Okay, let's get hiking.
Okay,
So,
bye.
I kept talking myself.
Bye, guys.
I kept talking myself out of going for a hike because it was too cold, or because nobody was coming with me, or because, you know, whatever the reason. And
This is what the rocks and grass look like.
look at those rocks and
And look
grass.
at the trees.
That's just crazy, dude. Okay, come on. And I really, you know, we all get to a point in our life sometimes where we're doubting ourselves, and we
He looks like an Asian dog.
even sometimes feel sorry for ourselves, you know? And it's okay that we get there. It's okay that we're there. And you just gotta just be okay with who you are, where you are, when you are, and know that you'll get past it. You'll get through it. So today I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go anyways. So I woke up this morning and said, hey Loke, you wanna go for a walk with me? And at first he's like, just down the street? And I'm like, if you want to. And he goes, I want to go to the creek. And I said, perfect. That's exactly where I want to go. And so, because everybody sleeps in my house till late, so I can't leave the little guy all by himself. Come on, buddy. Good boy, Finn. And so I got to take him with me or not go. And so I'm so glad he decided to go with us this morning, because I really wanted to come out into nature and have a nice walk. He's learning to be a photojournalist or a video person. I don't know. He's having fun, and that's what's important. Stop giving yourself a hard time. You're doing the best you can. You're alive. And stop judging yourself. Stop trying to be like everybody else. And be who you want to be in that moment. It's all about moments. We have some amazing moments and we have some not so amazing moments. And you choose them all. So give yourself a break. Love yourself for who you are. Even for the hard times, even for the bad times, even for the exhausting times. Let's check this out. Love yourself because you're worth it. And make it the most amazing, wonderful, fantastic day that you choose to live.